It was a thriller in Houston, a Texas showdown. The Dallas Mavericks versus the Houston Rockets. James Harden's been playing point guard this season, and it's been working out really well for him. Here we go on the break. He's throwing it to Ariza for the splash. And watch this play here, because they're going to run something like this later on in the game. They're inbounding it way out there at half court for the shot clock cheese. We move to the second half, and things are developing. A three for the Mavericks. They're getting closer. They're on a little bit of a run. It's a three-point game now. Wes Matthews in the lane. He pops the little step back jumper. It's a back and forth affair. Should you fear the beard? James Harden throws up the pump. He gets him in the air, and that's a splash. What a fun matchup to watch. Wes Matthews, James Harden, they're guarding each other. They're going at each other. And that time it's a 5-finger discount for Matthews, finishing with a layup. 9 seconds, the Mavericks are down by 3. Something like a prayer from all the way over there. Splash! To tie the game. 4 seconds. The Rockets are going to run a play that they ran earlier in the game. Look at Harden all the way back there. He cuts backdoor. They fall for it, and they foul him with 0.1 seconds. Wes Matthews can't believe it. He fell for it. And check this out. James Harden is choking, missing the first free throw. But he knocks down the second free throw to seal the deal, 93-92. Give that guy a map. Where are you going? Give that guy a manual. What are you doing? Why was Wes Matthews defending Harden at the half-court line with just 4 seconds to go? That is a mistake, and he can't believe it. When Kevin Durant left the Thunder, a lot of people were secretly excited. Not because Durant was trying to make a super team with the Golden State Warriors, but because the beast of Westbrook would be unleashed. You know Westbrook has to carry his team on his back. He's going to get all kinds of